strangers again. When you stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my wall.
So I'm at Home Depot getting some annuals here. So I got all these freaking flowers right here, and I'm looking to stock up my garden with all this color. See how awesome this color is? That's a dahlia plant. I've never had this one before. This is called Mystic. It's got this darker leaf on it, which is kind of cool. And then look at all this color. So the petunias here, some of my favorite kind of flowers here. Fill up my beds with petunias and get all that color going on in the garden. Ground covers, hanging baskets, so much fun and so much variety. So we got pansies here. These are freaking awesome. These are really good for early spring. These can withstand frost. Geraniums here, several different colors. We got white, red, and pink. Check out these little petunias right here. They've got this little heart in every single leaf here, the pink heart against the white. I showed you guys how they do this at the greenhouse, how they stick them and how they make these little cuttings, or how they stick the cuttings. I showed that to you a few months ago, and now this is the final result of what they did that day in the greenhouse. Those guys at Olson's greenhouse are the ones that created all of these, and so they work with Home Depot and they have all of these plants here. If you guys want some snap in your garden and some snap in your lawn, you gotta add color, okay? So this color comes from annuals and flowers. Bedding plants, hanging baskets, planters and pots like these down here. Proven winners, a container style. You just buy this container right here, 35 bucks, and you're done. All you gotta do is water it. They've already done the arrangement for you. They've done everything for you. You just put it out and water it. There's so many cool things to look at, so many cool things to see. I don't know what to choose. That's the hardest part, because there's just so much stuff to look at. I never know what to get. The #1 plant brand right here, okay? Proven winners. You can pretty well know that you're gonna get a good product if you choose something from Proven Winners. Look at all these cool annuals right here. This is another one from Proven Winners. Super Bells, okay? Cardinal Star. So pretty, so small, little, it's got these little small petunias. So pretty. I want some of these for sure. Those would be fantastic in a hanging basket or a pot. Gerber daisies here, okay? African daisy. That's pretty cool. I wonder if that's a perennial. So look at these dahlias right here, okay? These little small dahlias. I don't know how they can get these things to branch out like that and bush out like that, because mine always want to grow tall before they get bushy like that. I've never been able to have success in getting them to bush out like that, but that's a cool little flower. Not a big little flower, a little small thing. This doesn't look like, it says you're supposed to water it when it's dry. Yeah, that's no joke there, folks. So petunias could quite possibly be my favorite annual. I know that sounds crazy, but I just love them. So you guys remember these here? I've used these 100 times right here. Drop and decorate, folks, the 10-inch pot. All you do is you just put that in a pot, done. And you're done. They've done the arrangement for you and everything. Oh, look how cool these are right here. I think that we have some of these. I think we bought some of these last year or 2 years ago at Walmart. Bought it when it was dormant for about 25 cents or $1 or something, and planted it, and now this year it's coming up. Looks a little bit different. The one that I have has a little bit different color, but so this is the new Dine and Dash right here, folks. Just put that in there. This is what they call your annual combo there, and you just put it in there. See, it's all ready to go and everything. You don't have to do anything, and it's beautiful. These hanging baskets here add a ton to your garden, okay? You put these on your porch, you hang them down there, and they are primo. If you want that fine texture look and that beautiful character, get yourself some color and hanging baskets. Oh my gosh, look at all these freaking people here. These guys are like, hey, it's time to garden, Memorial Day weekend, folks, Friday. This place is going crazy. I see all these people in here. They just want to get what they want to get, and be on their way. We're almost back to normal here, folks, where we don't have to wear a mask. I see all these people not wearing masks, and I see a couple of them wearing them. It's great. It is great. I'm looking for lobelia and alyssum. It's got to be around here somewhere. Oh, there it is. There's the alyssum right there. We definitely have to get some of that. And there is the lobelia right there. So I'm gonna get myself a cart and get a couple of these here. Oh, I gotta get my marigolds too. So I like my marigolds, my alyssum, my lobelia, and my petunias. Those are my favorites. These right here. Okay, so that's like 12, 24, see, let's just do the flat, okay? A whole flat there, folks, just like that. I know, I saw those. Those are called African daisies, and I've already showcased those online.
Look how cute they are. How are you?
Hey! Hey!
What's up, buddy?
Good to see you. So we got here Steve over here from Olson's Greenhouse, okay? He's my guy. This guy and Mr. Brian, okay? They're the ones that help me out and make this really happen. So he goes around to the Home Depot and he spruces things up, cleans them up, and makes them look awesome. Okay, for guys like me and then all these other folks that come about and they're like, hey, yeah, let's get some color going on. I love it, okay? I love my annuals. Look at that, okay? That is what you call some sweet variety, sweet color, and nice pizzazz. So we're getting a 4-pack, making Sister Ward get it for me, and she does all the work. I'm just here to film, really. See my guy over there, Steve? He's already made friends. See that? He's made a buddy over there, and they're just talking up a storm. And that guy is my guy, okay? You can trust him to make it happen. You want something, you go to Steve. Okay, so I want to get some vinca. I tried my impatiens last year in the shade, but they just didn't do so good. And so I'm wanting to try the vinca this year. That's what Big Brian told me to try. Ooh, those are pretty.
Look how gorgeous
those are awesome. Yeah, those are a lot like the impatiens.
So they'll come in a variety of different colors too, but all right now this is what we got.
So they're gonna come in like a red and a white and a purple and a pink.
Yep.
All right, so I'm gonna go with these right here. Probably get maybe these come in a 6-pack here, so probably get maybe like 2 or 3 6-packs. But yeah, he's saying that these will kind of bush out, kind of like a petunia. Maybe get about a foot wide or something like that. See that? See how small they are right there? And they'll get a bush out, give you lots of color. So I need to try that this year rather than the impatiens right here that I've been trying the last few years, and I love those. They're freaking awesome, but these really need to be in a shady environment, kind of a cool little environment as well. African marigold, tried these last year, didn't have a lot of success with those, probably because I was in more of a shady variety. Snapdragons here, those are beautiful flowers. I love these, been loving those since I've been a little boy. So not much color going on over here. This is a shade variety right here. What do we got here? More petunias. I love these petunias. They're some of my most favorite plants. So this is what we're going with. Let's go, okay? Let's check out, let's go. This is one of your favorite days, right?
This is one of my favorite days.
This is one of her favorite days, no doubt about it. She loves it because she comes and she gets to use her imagination, and we get to think about what our garden's gonna look like, and I cannot wait to get this all planted. It's gonna be a lot of work getting it planted. Yeah, those are freaking awesome. Are those the proven winners? Are those the proven winners ones?
Yes.
That we got last year?
Well, the other ones we got were pink last year, but I've always loved this speckle thingy. And so when I saw these, I beelined it. I was like,
you weren't gonna let anybody else steal those, were you?
I wasn't. Connor brought me breakfast, and I'm like, I don't need to eat right now. Nobody can take these flowers.
We are going all out, okay? This is a fantastic day. It's gonna be so cool to get all these up and vibrant, active, and get these planted. I just feel like we have such cool stuff, and we've got a lot of cool color and flowers. I want to get more petunias, but she's like, no, no more petunias, no more petunias. I love them. She wants to go a different direction, which is fine by me, but I'm telling you, if you want color in your garden, you want to get this, you want annuals in your garden. Yes, they are a lot of work. Yes, they cost money, but they're fantastic. They're beautiful and they get good color, contrast against the lawn and the grass. A good lawn is awesome, but you gotta have a good ground game with your flowers. Just getting checked out right now, and we're gonna be on our way, and then in the next day or two, we're gonna plant all these up. So this is Memorial Day weekend 2021, and I love the Home Depot and all the flowers that they have. I love Olson's Greenhouse. I've had such an awesome experience with them. I encourage you to go out and get your annuals and plant up your gardens and make it look awesome. Would love to see pictures of what you have done. So tag me on Instagram your pictures of your flowers and your annuals and your beds at Connor Ward Lawn on Instagram. We call this thing a VRUCK, V-R-U-C-K, because it's like a truck and a van. It's like a truck and a van in one. Got all those plants in there and a couple of plants in my truck. So I gotta head to Salt Lake, go get some stuff, get a load on this trailer, drop off my mower. So that's it, guys. You guys want to make your lawn look awesome, get flowers and go for it in that direction. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Recording this.
Okay, what else? I won't put it in.
No, I'm not.
She says she won't let me record. She's like, put her foot down. No, I'm not going on camera.
Stop it.
You're trying to see that? She tries to evade me. She's like, no, I'm not going on camera. The YouTubes, no YouTubes for me.